Well, I got a dji OSMO Mobile SE, which I'm using right now. Track my face or any object, stay level. I'm using that to show some of the some of the other DJI products that just arrived. Okay, the OSMO Pocket 3. I got the mini tripod, battery handle, the Pocket 3 filter kit. This must be one of the filters. Haven't unboxed it yet. Check that out. Got the DJI Mic 2, the OSMO Pocket 3 expansion adapter, also several of the DJI cards. Purchased a carrying case to carry the mobile in. Product right here, the DJI Mobile SE, and coupled with the OSMO Pocket 3, I think are going to be great ventures. I'm using my iPhone with the gimbal. The gimbal steadies me out, does a great job. This has been a great addition to my making of videos and making it much easier for me. I also am going to use my Vision Pros, which you've seen in a couple of my videos, to do the unboxing. I'm going to be filming from both at the same time. So let me get these ready to go, and I'll be right back on here. Okay, well, I got my Vision Pros on. Probably look a little funny with the Vision Pros on. I see straight through them. They're absolutely fantastic. I use them at work. I use them for taking panoramic videos and being able to see quite a few things. Let's get to the unboxing. And first of all, I'm going to start with the big ticket item here, the OSMO. Plastic off the box here. Got the opener here. It's fresh out of the box. So inside the box here, first of all, looks like we have the OSMO. Okay, yes, it's in a holder. We're going to set that off to the side here. And see what else is in the box. It looks like we have a sticker here. I'm assuming that's what it is. Yeah, it is a DJI sticker. It's just a sticker packet. Also in the box, not sure what's in this box. Looks like a battery. Yes, we have a charging pack adapter for the lower end of the OSMO. The other end. Charging cable. So charging cable, not very long, but we have a charging cable, and looks like we have a dongle or strap, holding strap, very important. Get some of the packaging material out of the way here. So, and then see what else is in the box here. Okay, so the OSMO Pocket 3. OSMO Pocket 3 Quick Start Guide. OSMO Pocket 3 Protective Cover. And looks like some advertisement for a DJI Store app. And cautions, as well as the Pocket 3 instruction guide. We'll be getting to those in just a minute after we get all the parts unboxed here. Okay. Yeah, you'll have to comment about we'll put up some different views, whether using the Vision Pros for an unboxing. I haven't seen a video yet, but I'm sure it's out there. We have the Osmo Mini tripod, and that's all that is in that box. Okay, get the plastic cover off of it. And so the Osmo 3 Mini tripod, and the end of the battery, we have the mini tripod. Okay, now if I take this off of the battery, it has to be on some type of a handle. Okay, now this one here is the OSMO 3 Pocket, and it's called a battery handle. So open up this box. Okay, now this box has the battery handle in it. That unboxed. And we now have extended battery that makes the OSMO Pocket 3 longer. There are clips on the sides here to clip the battery handle to it. Release button is right here. So we have a release button here, and once it's all the way on there, clips onto the sides. As you can see, the small little openings here, these two clips clip into it to firmly attach it on there. The same with the one that came with it. Also has those same clips with a release button right here. Okay, I'm gonna put the longer battery handle onto it. I'm not gonna start this up right now because I'm gonna make sure that we're fully charged on the OSMO Pocket 3 before I bring it up and run it. I want to get the rest of this unboxed. Also, in the box with the battery handle, we have a battery handle instruction leaflet. Okay, now continue on just as I see them here. These are the filters for the OSMO 3. So we're going to see, yes, again, we have some literature, which we'll set off to the side. This is the filter kit. The magnetic filter kit comes with 3 different filters for the camera. More plastic bags. Okay, it comes in a case. Very nice. So there are the 3 different filters. Get some more information on those as I use them. Each one will give us a different type of video filtering. Okay, the next thing we have is the OSMO Pocket 3 expansion adapter. We have the expansion adapter, and it looks like, again, literature on the expansion adapter. So I guess we'll see in some of my up and coming videos how this OSMO 3 works, and as I learn how to work it, right now I'm just going to do the unboxing, and then I'll do some demos after I learn how to operate it. So the expansion handle Okay, there's a clip on the side, comes out. Oh, okay, so it allows for other attachments, like a bike attachment, which I didn't get that yet, and I may get that because I'm a big bicyclist. May get one for a helmet or chest. We'll see what else is available for this after I see how well it works. So now there's one more filter, that black mist filter that came in this. I'm going to leave it in the package right now until I get a little more about this. There's not any more space in this little holder here, and I have to figure out why that one came separately. We'll clean up. The 128 gigabyte, 170 megabyte per second video cards from Kingston that DJI brands and recommends for this. I went ahead and bought 1, 2, 3, 4 of those, so I would be able to have them and continue to record content. Can't have enough storage. Okay, the last box here that we have is the Mic 2. Okay, so the DJI Mic 2. Now, these are supposed to be able to connect to the OSMO 3 as well as my iPhone. It comes in its own carrying case. And we have another packet of literature. I'm going to leave that. Looks like another sticker packet and instruction manuals. Okay, so that's the unboxing, but let's take a look at what we have here. So just a DJI tab. Okay, there is a zip open case for these Mic 2s. So there's inside there's a Mic 2, little silica gel packet, and we have more bags. Oh, okay, so the fuzzy bike adapter, and in the other packet here, we have another fuzzy mic filter. Okay, so we have 2 of those. Also a connection or charging cable and a mini jack cable. I assume this is to allow you to attach the microphone to various devices. Okay, get rid of the trash again. And press to unlock. Press to unlock here, sticker over the top, and we unlock. So now inside here, we have the sound mic adapter, 2 clip-on DJI mics. Okay, so this looks like, okay, so this case is a battery charger, and it also has the adapters for USB-C and a lightning adapter for iPhone. You can see that, but you can see it here on the Vision Pros. So if I were to hook this to iPhone or another device, this allows the mics to pick up to them. They're supposed to connect up to the camera. One more item here. The case, which is supposed to be big enough and set up so that I can carry the OSMO 3 and its accessories with me in this case, and the mics in this case. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see how this comes out when I edit it. I've got the video coming off of my new DJI Mobile SE gimbal using my iPhone. I also have the Apple Vision Pros doing it at the same time. I'll see how I can blend these two videos together, make it interesting, and then I'll be doing some additional videos on the operations of the camera system. Thank you.